Okay, just got home and it did it again on our way home. It wouldn't start again, so I'm gonna try it again with the remote start. Lights are on, didn't start. Tried to, and it'll do it again without me pressing anything. Won't turn over. See if it does it again. 3 attempts on its own without the button being pressed, other than the initial. Lights go off, doors are locked. Nothing has been touched. My remote, my OE remote will not open it. Totally disabled. Only the remote start key will unlock it. Again, if I try to start it, it'll just flash and beep. Nothing. Once I bring the OE remote close to it, it'll stay lit. And now it'll start. No clue what's going on.